Hello everyone. Today's topic is containers and quantities. In this video, you will be able to learn key vocabulary related to containers and quantities. Let's start. A sachet of sugar. A packet of chips. A bowl of curry. A loaf of bread. A box of chocolates. A bucket of water. A piece of cake. A bar of chocolate. A mug of hot chocolate. A tin of pineapple. A sack of rice. A bag of flour. A dozen eggs. A tub of ice cream. A carton of milk. A slice of pizza. A jar of peanut butter. A bottle of soda. A tube of toothpaste. A scoop of ice cream. A spoonful of honey. A cup of coffee. A glass of juice. A can of soda. A roll of paper towel. A jug of juice. A bunch of grapes. A crate of apples. A handful of nuts. A tumbler of hot coffee. A hot flask of hot tea. A pack of chewing gum. A barrel of oil. A plate of noodles. A pinch of salt. A stick of butter. A blister pack of pills. A basket of fruits. A head of cabbage. A bulb of onion. A gallon of water. A tray of cupcakes. A liter of olive oil. A kilogram of rice. A 6-pack of energy drinks. Now let's learn words for different containers and quantities by doing these exercises. You can pause the video if you need time to think. A blank of bread. Slice. A blank of jam. Jar. A blank of rice. Bowl. A blank of ketchup. Sachet. A blank of fruits. Crate. A blank of water. Glass. A blank of cola. Can. A blank of vegetables. Basket. A blank of bananas. Bunch. A blank of juice. Carton. A blank of cream. Tube. A blank of matches. Box. A blank of cauliflower. Head. A blank of potatoes. Sack. A blank of petrol. Barrel. A blank of rice. Plate. A blank of water. Bottle. A blank of mango. Peas. A blank of carrots. Tin. A blank of milk. Gallon. A blank of tea. Cup. A blank of soap. Bar. A blank of bread. Loaf. A blank of salt. Pinch. A blank of medicines. Blister pack. A blank of biscuits. Packet. So friends, that's all for today. Please do share with your friends and do subscribe for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.